Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 45 AMG. This one is a Cosmos Black Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 375 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque. This one is fully loaded with the Amg Aerodynamics Package with a large front splitter, fins on the front bumper, AMG rear spoiler, AMG Dynamics Plus package with AMG ride control, sport suspension, limited slip front differential, increased top speed to 167 miles per hour, AMG night package with the glass black front splitter, rocker panels, and roof rails with glass black finishes. For wheels, we've got 20-inch 10-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. On the interior, we've got a black Amg Dynamica with red stitching, carbon fiber trim, panorama sunroof. Come around back. AMG GLA 45 badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, AMG illumination when you open the door, AMG illuminated door sills. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also comes with the AMG sports steering wheel with Dynamica, Nappa leather, and suede. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation and voice command, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, suspension adjustments, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. Our different driving modes, we got Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Race. Just go ahead and hear the exhaust. Sounds real nice. This GLA has 61,045 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 45 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.